Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Zoom H1. Press and hold the power button until the display lights. Make sure the battery is charged or use 2x AA for stable recording. Once done, insert a micro SD card. The H1 writes to SD, so verify free space. Attach the foam windscreen to reduce wind noise and plug in an external lavalier or shotgun mic to the mic jack if you need directional sound. These steps prevent interruptions and ensure clean input from the first take. You now configure recording quality and levels. Press Menu and select WAV 24-bit/48K for highest fidelity, or MP3 at 128/320 kbps for smaller files. Then switch to manual gain to control dynamics, speak or play at intended volume, and adjust input gain so peaks sit near -12 dB to preserve headroom. If background variation is severe, enable the limiter, but make sure to test limiters and auto gain. You're ready to record. Plug headphones into the H1 and monitor the sound while you set headphone volume to a comfortable level. Press record once to arm, then again to start. Watch the peak LEDs and the waveform on screen to confirm healthy levels. When finished, press stop and use play to review the take. If all good, save and power off, or navigate to the menu to safely eject the micro SD. Troubleshooting tip: if recordings clip, lower input gain and re-record. Clipped audio cannot be recovered reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.